Fact one, when Dante and Ernesto were crowned champions, they did not beat the Heartbreakers.
Justice Brothers. Don't forget April 5th. Big surprises in Columbia. Big for Mule Day.
Fact two, last Saturday night, the final battle where Dante and Ernesto left with the belts, they did not beat the Heartbreakers.
Mule Days has been the date set for the TV championship to be decided. I, Tommy Capone, has just received word that I'm the #1 contender.
Fact three, Mike Porter, you are the reason the Heartbreakers are not holding Ronnie Brown's property right now.
Well, I just got word that the #1 seed is Tommy Capone. Tommy Capone? I've got sweat socks older than Tommy Capone.
Match forward. But the Justice Brothers look like they're come back a little bit.
They got a poke to the eye there for his efforts against the ropes. Duck the clothesline is John. John comes back, ducks the back elbow. It comes up. Oh!
Fact four, it's an embarrassment for us to wrestle JT Quest and Donnie Eaton. They do not deserve to be in the same ring we are in. They do not deserve to breathe the same air that we breathe.
I don't know what you're thinking, boys. I don't even care because you see, my name is the Wild Man.
You see that money, Ronnie Brown? I don't know how Sudden Impact got a title shot this week. I have no clue. I think it has something to do with the Planet Boy Mike Porter deal. But I don't care how much of that money you got to spend. I don't care what you got to do, who you got to buy. The Heartbreakers want their title shot, and the Heartbreakers want to return your property to you.
You know Dante and Cannibal.
What's up, brother?
Finally on the tube, man. Here, Cannibal, grab that belt right there and hold on to it. Now we want to say congratulations to the only lady in the NWA main event, the new ladies world champion, Leilani Kai. Baby, we're proud of you. You hold on to that thing because you are the first lady of the NWA because it says so with that belt right around your waist, baby.
Let me tell you something, Larry. There's no limit to how deep these pockets can run. There's no limit on the money. I get what I want, I always have, I always will.